the mentor with the mantra for your teaching success. The idea behind it is teachers. I was researching about this topic and I came up with one of the prominent reasons that came up for declining education was overburdened teachers and undercompensation, which caused bad retention rate, especially in marginalized communities. So I thought of making an AI tool that can take off this burden by decreasing the time it takes for them to grade time-consuming assignments. So at first I thought of an LLM API solution, but I came up with more costs and benefits. First, it's going to be expensive, especially for teachers to access, and it could be slow, especially since the point is to decrease grading time. It's better to choose a faster solution. And third, it's unpredictable since it's not focused on our use case. I think an AI that would be trained on specific data would be more useful, but it'd be easy to make since it'd be a quick solution. So we have built a website that students and teachers can access, an AI tool that they can use to get an overall score, and a dashboard that can track these overall scores for the teachers to make creative lesson plans quickly. The demo. Let me start the server. Once it's started, reload. You can log in as a new user, so I'll make a new username. You can log in as a teacher or a student, but you should probably do it as a teacher since most of our functionalities are only for teachers right now. So log in. You can see dashboard or form. For anything to log on the dashboard, you need to submit something to the form. So let's go to the form. Let's submit something. I'll type in my name. I'll say assignment name. I'll say it's 1. And I have an essay ready that I made DeepSeek, right? So I'll feed that in here and submit. It gives it a score of 5. Right. Now if I want to submit more scores, let's say this time it's a different student but the same essay, so I'll say Amir 1 and plug in the answer. I submit it. It gives it a 4. Now let's say that's Amir but essay 2 and there's a different, this time you got a 1. So now if we check the dashboard, you'll see that everything's updated with the rows being the students and the columns being the assignments. They don't have to be numbers, I just made the numbers. And then see in our code, this is where the algorithm is making a prediction, and the model is right here. And these are our views and where our routes are. And our CSS file. I somehow fit it all in one.